see what's going on here. So we got the barrel right here, and we're gonna pack the $100 worth of items in the barrel. And we're gonna see if the $100 can fill it. All right. Right. So. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Mannix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. It is so cold right now that all my lips them a crack up. Got me? Knuckles them white like somebody paint them. But anyway, thanks again for tuning into the channel from wheresoever that you are across the world. Greetings and prosperity and all of them stuff there. Big up yourself, Maz Central, Leonie Lioness, Shernet Griffin, Sam Whitley, Bajan Britt. But anyway guys, so this is what's going on. So I'm getting ready to jump down in the city to pick up a barrel, to pack it to send off to Jamaica. Yeah, what's going on? The other day, somebody called me from Jamaica. They asked me if I can pack a barrel for them for $300. And I told the person, said, $300 can pack a barrel, no matter how much I try, because when I purchase the barrel for $50, and then to ship the barrel is another $150. And then we only have $100 remaining. And I am not charging the pack barrels for anybody. I'm not taking gas money or anything out of it. So we only gonna have $100 leave to pack the barrel. All right. So I have $100 worth of items in my garage, and we're gonna pick up a jumbo barrel, and we're gonna see how far the $100 worth of stuff reach in the jumbo barrel, so I can give a visual image to the people who believe, say, $300 can pack a barrel or $500. We are gonna give you guys a visual image, because sometimes some people don't understand until them see the visual aspect of things. So when you give them the visual aspect, it tends to drive the message home more clearly. So that's what we're gonna do right now, so people can understand. So yo, the way how we imagine things, it doesn't exist like that in the real world. And in my case, I've been packing barrels for a couple of years. I have seen prices go up, and some people don't really understand, especially to family members, to without no cost to them. You are where you are in foreign countries, send it to them. They don't know. Then just complain, cuss you off, murmur, have you up for something that they didn't contribute $1 to. So we're gonna show some of them same family members there. And we're going to show the same individual who asks the $300 to pack a barrel. So we're going to show you what the $100 worth of items look within a barrel. All right? I don't pack barrel in the first quarter, second quarter, or third quarter of the year. I pack barrel around in the last quarter of the year, because since my money I pack the barrel, none of my family members them now send no money come give me for pack barrel, and my money I spend, so me have to spend my money in a way how I don't have to spend a barrage. So I choose to do it at that time of the year. You see it? So round this time now, a whole heap of supermarket have items on sale. This is the time of year to do it. September, October, November, December. That's the best time to pack a barrel. That's just how I work my thing. And those of my viewers and subscribers that are in America, you know that when you go shopping around them time here, around the same last quarter in the year, this is when a lot of supermarkets put out discount and, you know, specials and them stuff there. So you guys can have an idea of what I'm talking about. So guys, we reach down in the city. See if we can get the barrel. Hello, how are you doing? Hello. How is Mr. Bongo? He's alright? You have any jumbo barrel? Alright. Good morning, sis. Good morning, sis. How are you doing? So guys, this is the barrel right here, jumbo barrel, right? There's it. Yeah, that is it right there. We're gonna take it home and show you what I go on. $50, guys, 50. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I know there's a lot of people down in Jamaica cursing out their family members living overseas, saying that they never send nothing come give them and boy this and that. But guys, there's a lot of reason, and that is why sometimes you know be too eager to take sides with people. You see it. You don't be too eager to take side within a person conversation and them stuff what them I tell you, because sometimes there's more than meets the eye to the conversation. Sometimes people not tell you the full story of what they go on. Sometimes them I tell you half a story. See what's going on here? So we got the barrel right here, and we're gonna pack the $100 worth of items in the barrel. And we're gonna see if the $100 can fill it. All right. So mixed vegetables. All right. Line them up as we go on. You can see what's going on, guys. Yeah. I'm just doing a little quick packing. We're not packing the barrel, we're just trying to see what $100 items look like in our barrel. We have all of the canned items in it, like these guys right here. These are some fabric softener. I would normally tape them up, but because we're just doing a quick check to see what's going on. Yeah, we got some Arizona iced tea. Them here in there too. Yeah. There. Drinks mix. Yeah. Some salad dressing. Some peanuts. Marinara sauce. Yeah. Yep. Got some rice. Brown rice. Normally I wouldn't pack them so guys, but we're just doing a quick run because we want to make the people them see say $100 can pack one barrel. Alright? So that's it look like already. Got some spaghetti. Run them around at the side. Yeah. Guys, we're gonna take up a lot of space in the barrel, but we're gonna see how we can do it. Yeah. Then we got some cereals. We're gonna have to take them out of the box too. But we're gonna put them. put them at the side. So that's what it looks like right there. And now we have some rice. We're gonna put it in there too. 2 bags of basmati rice. I'm just gonna rest them in there to see what it looks like. So this is what $100 look like in a barrel. Yeah. So I took the liberty of purchasing $100 worth of items, and I also purchased a barrel for $50. So we only have $150 remaining to ship the barrel go to Jamaica. So this is what $150 buy out of the $300. You see, some of you probably say, "Whoa, that's a lot of stuff for $100." Manix, the reason why it looked like that is because the time of year that I purchase stuff, I don't pack a barrel in the first, second, or third quarter of the year. I pack a barrel in the last quarter, October, November, December, because that is the time a lot of supermarkets will mark down their stuff, selling their stuff for Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Halloween, and Christmas. So a lot of supermarket, especially ShopRite, they will have a nice amount of deals going on. So that is why I was able to get so much items for $100. If I had purchased these items within the first quarter of the year, it probably would cost me $200 and more. But anyway, so this is what is going on. So these guys take up a lot of space. The cereal, the pastas, the spaghetti, and macaroni, and all of that stuff take up space. So we have 2 bags of basmati rice 1, basmati rice. And down in there we got some canned products. Let me zoom it down in there to make you guys can see what's going on. So that is what is down there. So you see there's a lot of box items pack up on the side, and you kind of see how them set. Yeah, those box items, they take up a lot of space in the barrel, as you can see for yourself, but nothing said the barrel full yet, because as I say, it's a jumbo barrel. So let me go down back again so you can see the depth of the barrel where they go on. The reason why I pack my barrel like this is so that when the barrel go to the wharf, when the customer officer asks if you empty out the barrel, you can empty around it, and you can look straight down, and you can pack up back your stuff them. So this is why I pack it like this. So you can see what they go on. $100 can't pack no barrel. You see it? So all of you Jamaicans who are down at Jamaica, sit down and believe say family members or friends in America, they tell you no lie. See there? They buy a barrel, put the stuff in it, you can see for yourself. $100 can't pack no barrel. That are your $100 right there. $150. So we have $150 left for shipping come off of Jamaica. So when you reach a Jamaica, no call me and cuss me. This is what your $300 can get you. Alright? Bye-bye.